Let's take you to New Orleans and show you what we can expect. All right, so this is today, tomorrow, and through the weekend. Temperatures are hot, 89 degrees. Dew points are in the mid-70s. Lots going on. Kids at Tulane back there for the first time this weekend. There's an arts and music festival and a running of the bulls delayed from earlier in the month. So all of that's going on. And you will see on and off showers and storms throughout the weekend. Not a total washout, but you will certainly see plenty of wet weather. So here's what we've seen in the past 7 days. Look at here. Big Bend of Florida seeing an awful lot of rain in the last 7 days. You heard Nick say in Miami, wettest August on record. And boy, the West Coast will certainly see it. Northwest, Pensacola, a lot of rain, New Orleans, but we're going to actually see more. So that's what we've seen thus far. And now factor in the next 3 days with showers and storms. And it's really three-pronged. We've got a front dropping south, bringing a lot more cooler air to the northeast and the Midwest. It drops south, becomes more or less stationary, and then becomes the target and kind of the catalyst for showers and storms to develop here in the southeast. So portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, central portions point south. That's where the sticky air is. Area of low pressure bringing all this tropical moisture, and then of course this area of low pressure that we've been talking about this morning. What will happen to it and what will it become? So rounds of rain here in the southeast, kind of again not a washout. I know this looks a bit ominous, but it won't be a total washout all weekend, but through the weekend showers and storms each and every day. And with some of those storms, because there's so much moisture available, could dump a lot of rain. Here's tomorrow's forecast as well. Pretty good here though, where we're going to see a bit of a change. Of course, watching the coast for that area of low pressure to potentially develop and move. Hey, it starts the college football this weekend. A big rivalry here in Florida and Orlando this weekend. Gators and the Hurricanes. Weather will be pretty cool. Cooler than we've seen. Some of these clouds, though, of course, capping the temperatures. Not getting quite as warm as we've seen earlier in the week. Nick? Well, there's a running of the bulls. They're trying it again. It was delayed earlier in the month. And the kids at Tulane at school for the first weekend thus far. So let's show you what you're going to all experience. It's hot, it's humid, temperatures are warm, dew points in the mid-70s, so it's really like a sauna out there, and the chance for showers and storms each and every day. Again, not a total washout each day, but rounds of rain just about to come into New Orleans even as we speak. So here's the setup. All this deep tropical moisture in the Gulf of Mexico, all driving forward and driving north. And there are the showers and storms. You can see them here right along the Louisiana coast. Farther north and west, kind of scattered showers and storms. What we have is a stationary boundary, and that's more or less the catalyst for a lot of this. And in Virginia, we do have a flash flood warning posted. Again, showers and storms, more or less just training over the same areas over and over again, and then you get into that. And you can see from Charleston, north and east. So here we go. Here are the showers and storms. Get this settled. The heavy rain there, and we will continue to see that kind of over and over again, not only through today, but in through the weekend. So today, showers and storms from Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, even into the Carolina coastlines. And what we're going to see is, again, not a washout. I know this looks like a bit of an ominous map, but showers and storms prevalent not only today and tomorrow, but also into the day on Sunday. But what we're not showing here is how hot as it has been this month in places like Atlanta and Nashville. Nashville all month long only had 1 day. The highs did not get into the 90s. Atlanta only 2 days. So what we'll see now with the front dropping south, the cloud cover coming in, and a chance for rain like we hadn't seen for much of the month, it's going to be much cooler with temperatures out of the 90s for the first time in quite some time, especially on Sunday and into Monday. Hey, it's Gator weekend. We're seeing football for the first time. College football starts on Saturday, and we're going to see it here in Florida with a big matchup. And the weather actually with those clouds and showers, Nick, a lot cooler than normally it could be. Well, some new dramatic body cam video has just been released.
Yeah, it captures the intensely emotional arrest of a mom who left her baby in a scorching hot car for nearly an hour. As Kelly casts her eyes elsewhere.
All right, nothing as ominous as that, right? That's for sure. We are watching the tropics because we're taking a look at what's happening. And Greg, let's talk about 98L and the impact. Do you think it will develop into a named storm perhaps, but there's something kind of hot on its heels? Do you think that will be more impactful?
That's too early to, I think, know for sure, but I think it also has a chance of developing into a tropical.
Center Live, I'm meteorologist Nick Walker.
And alongside Nick, I'm meteorologist Alexandra Steele. It is Friday morning. Good Friday to you. And welcome to the beginning of the weekend. A lot of activity, though, starting to brew in the tropics today. Experts.
Some of us are going to have to get used to that. Dr. Greg Postel, and maybe even getting used to even more than that.
Yeah, that's actually an interesting way of looking at it because we are dealing with sort of an unorganized